Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you have Safari no internet connection on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. If you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to check your cellular data. If you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again, so just simply restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have this error, so just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.